How would you feel if I said to you that the reason you are not profitable yet is all down to the fact that you are unable to keep things as basic as possible, and because of that you lack a serious amount of trust within the markets? The way I trade is very, very simple. I'm looking for a move in directions with the higher time frames. I'm identifying key levels of interest on the higher time frames. Once I have those key levels, I'm then on a smaller time frame waiting for extra evidence inside my key area to support my move in my intended direction. As you can see here, this is a higher time frame. Price come all the way down into this order block right here. And as you can see on a smaller time frame, price comes all the way down, reaches towards this higher time frame level, pushes to the upside, leaving behind an area of imbalance, which is overlapping this inverse fair value gap, calling this a balanced price range, allowing me to enter inside this level here, targeting this liquidity above. I'm just trying to keep this as simple as I possibly can, and in doing that, it has allowed me the chance to pull consistent profits within the markets. So do yourself a favor and keep it down to the basics. You will never have to overcomplicate things. I promise you it works. All you have to do is go and backtest this and see for yourself.
Here's why 96% of traders fail and how you can join the winning 4%. Step 1. Get the PipsGravity Mastermind Trading Plan. Links in bio. Inside, you'll learn how to spot market structure shifts so you know exactly when the trend changes. Step 2. Master liquidity and fair value gaps. The same concepts banks use to trap retail traders and take their money. Step 3. Use our tested entry techniques to enter with sniper precision and manage your risk like a pro. And Step 4. Follow our trade management plan to scale up without giving back your profits. Stop trading blind. Start trading with a blueprint. PipsGravity Mastermind. Your prop firm pass starts here.